Subtraction of multi-digit whole numbers. Subtract number 7 from 382. Place value of digits in number 382 are as shown. Place value of digits in number 7 are as shown. (382 minus 7). 382 is 3-digit number. 7 is 1-digit number. (382 is greater than 7. Hence, order of subtraction is correct. Arrange numbers as shown. First let's subtract 1's digit. As per order of subtraction it is 2 minus 7. 2 is smaller than 7. Hence 7 cannot be subtracted from 2. Here the concept of borrowing comes into play. Two at 1's digit has to borrow 1 from adjacent 10's digit 8. 8 at 10's digit will become 7 after lending 1. 2 at 1's digit will become 12 after borrowing 1. Now let's subtract 1's digit after regrouping. New order of subtraction at 1's digit is 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 equals to 5. Now let's subtract 10's digit. Order of subtraction at 10's digit is 7 minus 0, as there is no digit at 10's place of the number 7. Let's consider 0 at 10's place of number 7. Seven minus 0 equals to 7. Now let's subtract 100's digit. Order of subtraction at 100's digit is 3 minus 0, as there is no digit at 100's place of the number 7. Let's consider 0 at 100's place of number 7. 3 minus 0 equals to 3. Thus 382 minus 7 equals to 375.